2 available leads 12 feet extendable wiring harness, 2 sets of light output connectors for dual light fixtures less than 180 W. Efficient protection power relay and inline blade fuse ACT as the first line of defense against overcurrent and short circuit. Shining in the dark built-in 2 premium LEDs emit soft light to illuminate the patterns, easy for you to find the switch in the dark. Wide application suitable for almost all 12 volts battery vehicles, such as Jeeps, ATVs, UTVs, cars, motorcycles, ships, yachts and trailers. Package include 1 by 12 feet wiring harness, 1x instructions. Fit type: universal fit. Product features: 1. Illuminated on/off switch. 2. Power relay. 3. Blade fuse. 4. More than 12 feet of wire. 5.2 sets of power connectors to light fixtures. Note: maximum wattage 180 W. Max Ampere 15A. Operating voltage 12 volts DC power. Please finish the installation by professionals or install the wiring harness under the guidance of professionals. Top reviews from the United States. Great purchase. I've bought many Nilight products before. I've had another harness for about a year and a half on my other vehicle and it works like new. I bought 2 of these for my 01 Ranger since it was only $2 more for a water-resistant harness. They work great and the quality of material is actually fairly heavy-duty for the price especially. Their design is great. Without the plastic connectors to the buttons I wouldn't have been able to string it through a rubber grommet through my firewall. It is nice it comes with a fuse in it and a few more spares. I will continue to purchase from this brand since they actually have very good China quality.